Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram Reels could not share to WhatsApp. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your Instagram updated or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update from here. Press on update. Wait for completion. After updating, go back. Open your settings. Go to the apps. Search here Instagram. Press on force stop. Press on force stop. Press on storage. Then press on clear cache. Then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, once you restart your mobile, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.